come and get sold off yet.
Made it to Australia, finally. Literally the longest journey, and I didn't bother filming anything on the flights because I feel like I was a bit of a zombie on the airplane. But I made it, I'm here, it's nice and sunny, it's warm, I'm with Dom, the boy. Dom has legit like planned the most, I don't even know how to describe it.
To the T.
Yeah, like Dom's plan is literally minute by minute of what we're going to do this week, and we're going to have so much fun. He basically just wants to show me how awesome Brisbane and Gold Coast are.
Like a crazy girlfriend.
More or less.
Don't ever leave me. Never.
It might make me want to stay out here, I'm not going to lie, because I mean I've been here for about about 3 hours so far, and I'm already in love with it, so we'll see.
Just on the highway.
Yeah, literally, we haven't even done anything yet.
It's going to be a good week.
But yeah, it's going to be a good week of training, going to work hard. Gotta get prepped for the competition next week in Gold Coast, which is the same pool as the Commonwealth pool, and just gotta get over this jet lag, which is gonna kill me.
What? Oh yeah.
This jet lag's gonna
right, I've got something for that.
What? Oh, what the hell?
It's your jet lag wake up.
That did not work.
It's a bit small, what's the only problem?
Bit small?
Yeah.
I don't think you have enough dry boards.
9.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dry boards. Yeah, no, I don't think you have enough. Probably should get more.
Are you happy now?
So like before I came out here, the British sports psychologist who is Australian was telling me about all the things that could potentially kill me. One thing she told me about was like a blue ball jellyfish, something like that.
They're bad. If you get
Blue
stung
ball?
by that, you just gotta piss on it and you're fine. Wee on it, sorry, PG version. But there's this other thing.
Yeah.
It's like, they're about that big, and I don't know the name of the jellyfish, but the worst thing is like you can't see them because they're so like transparent, they're so clear in the water. But if you get stung by them, the worst thing is like you feel something but you don't know what's happened, and then if you don't treat it in 20 minutes, you die.
Wow. Yeah, see.
So come to Australia, it's really safe.
Australia,
bring
the
your
land,
friends, bring
the
your
land,
family.
the land where everything and anything can kill you. That's just what you want, isn't it? Apparently there's some snakes up here that can kill me as well.
Right, you got longer, we got like an hour.
Got what?
You got like an hour.
An hour until it kills you after it bites you. Oh, that's alright. That's plenty of time.
You made that look very difficult. Even though you're very tall.
I don't want to roll my ankle. That's actually a much easier method. So this morning we come on a bit of a hike. We got the morning off training, just training this afternoon. So we had a bit of a lie-in. We've come on a hike to this location up here. What's it called again? Cock Rock. Cock Rock. That's what it's called. Cock Rock. Bit of a straight. It's a weird name.
That's what the locals call it, right?
It's a weird name.
It's a bit homophobic.
Is it because it's like out like an erected cock?
Yes.
You Aussies, eh? Gold Coast 1, Leeds 0, Miami 0.
Ooh, big fight.
This definitely beats Miami.